Everyone, let us discuss a problem from the circles. In the figure, two tangents RP and RQ are drawn from external point R to the circle with center O. If angle PRQ is equal to 120 degrees, show that OR is equal to 2 times PR. Here, you can see the figure. There OP and OQ are equal radii. OR distance from the center to the external point. There are two tangents. As you know, the lengths of the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. Let it be some t. And one more point is, at the point of contact, the angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees. So radius tangent 90 degrees. See, these two triangles are congruent in two ways. One is by right angle, common hypotenuse, and one equal side, that is radius. So you can write in any manner. Otherwise, RDT, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle. Let me write in that way. I am going for the proof. Given O is center of the circle, center of circle, RP and RQ are tangents drawn from the external point R. Therefore, RP is equal to RQ. They are equal. I have taken as some T. And one more thing, the angle between the tangents, angle PRQ is equal to 120 degrees. This is your given. Now, clearly, triangles, these two right triangles are congruent. Triangle OPR is congruent to triangle OQR by SSS congruency. Therefore, angle at R is equal to angle at R, that is angle PRO is equal to angle QRO. Angle PRO is equal to angle QRO means these two are equal. The total angle is 120 means each of the angle becomes 60. Angle PRQ is equal to angle PRO plus angle QRO. As these two are equal, that is 2 times angle PRO. What is PRQ? 120 degrees. 120 degrees is equal to 2 times angle PRO. So, angle PRO is 60 degrees. See, you need not do this calculation. Simply, as these two angles are equal, you can take it, the angle PRO is automatically 60 degrees. Now, it is a right triangle. You can apply trigonometric ratios. In right triangle OPR, angle PRO is equal to 60 degrees. Let us take cos 60. Cos 60 degrees is equal to, see, this is acute angle 60 degrees. What is adjacent? See, these are legs. These will act as opposite and adjacent. Adjacent is PR and opposite to 90 hypotenuse is OR. Implies cos 60 1 by 2 is equal to PR by OR. Do cross multiplication. Implies OR is equal to 2 times PR. So, this is how we prove the required statement, that is, if the angle between the tangents is 120 degrees, then the distance from the center to the external point is twice to the length of the tangent. Keep it remember, which is important for bit also. And one more thing you can observe here, you may be asked like OR is equal to sum of these two tangents because they are equal, PR plus RQ, both are same. Whether this one or this one, both are same because PR and RQ are equal. So OR is this distance from the center to the external point is equal to sum of these two tangents. Thank you. I hope you understand.